Hi, I'm Aiken here, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane that flies very fast, high, and far. So, first, you do this. Just fold it up in half. Like that. And then try to make it like all the way folded. That is right now. That's very short. And second, you fold out this, and then you take this piece right here, and then you flatten it up. Then I'm gonna wait until it's done right here. And this part is done, and the second you do this, make sure it is touching. It is touching too itchy, so I'm going to flatten this up. Now this step is done, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Like this. We're done with that, and then same thing, but make sure it needs to touch it very bad. So we need to make it fly very fast and far and high. So now we're done with this step, and now you just do it like this. Like that, and then fold it. Trying to fold it. Folding it like this. And then flatten this up. And now you're done. It looks perfect. Like a V-wing fighter from Star Wars. But now, if you want to make it very good and fast and far, just use this Scotch tape. I'm going to look for a good spot. To see where it is. Where is a good spot? That's a good question. Use my fingernail quickly, and then you just use this Scotch tape, and then you rip it off, and then if we need scissors, just cut it off. And now you're done. And now just stick the tape across these two lines, and now you're done. So I'm going to screw the camera off the tripod. Now, this is how it looks like. A very good paper airplane. Now we're going to fly it across. And see if we can get it all the way up. Let's see what it got. So, it's a very good paper airplane. And it landed right there. All the way up across the steps. Very good paper airplane. So now let's try to throw it across here. And it landed right there. Zoom in a little bit. So now we'll end